There are a lot of benefits to implementing an interface management program. The first of which is to identify, structure, and manage interfaces between independent parties. In every project, large-scale project, there inevitably are large numbers of interdependencies, and interface management gives you a structure by which you can identify those and manage those as well. The third element is interactions. And inevitably, to resolve these interfaces and interdependencies, people are involved. So it provides a forum by which you can manage these social interactions between people. Well, you have to make an objective case and demonstrate to leadership that in fact this management function, interface management, provides value to the project, that in fact it will help you simplify complexities associated with the project. And it's very easy to do if you can provide a body of evidence from previous projects. And so I think as long as you can provide this objective case, show value, and make a case for how you can simplify complexity, you'll get the resources you need to implement an interface management program. There were a lot of key takeaways from the conference. I think that the main takeaway is complexity. During the conference we used this term complexity quite a lot. And it was interesting to see complexity in the different forms of the different types of projects, both oil and gas, and as we saw in rail as well. And it was interesting to see how different projects managed that complexity using interface management. Yeah, there were two topics. The first was related to the engineering process and whether or not interface management could be used as part of that process. And the second topic related to key performance indicators and using KPIs to measure interface management performance during execution, because it is important as any management function that you want to monitor the performance of the system. And so we talked a bit about how you would do that and sort of the metrics you would use to measure along the execution phase. I would definitely recommend the conference to a colleague. I think in a forum like this is a great mechanism for experience transfer and information sharing. You get different perspectives, as you see from this conference and attendees, that we had people from around the globe, from different types of projects, different scales, to include oil and gas and rail. And so I think this is a very good forum by which you can share your experience and also receive experiences from others.